Welcome to my maths class. In this class, we'll solve sums from NCERT textbook, the new book. Okay, class 9, chapter 2, introduction to polynomials. We'll solve exercise set 2.1, question 1 to question 5. Here, the first question is think and reflect. The question says 200L plus 160W plus 50LW. Can you, this is the they are given algebraic expression. They are asking, can you identify the terms, variables and coefficients of the expression? So we have to identify the terms, variables and coefficients. So first we'll see what are the terms in this. The terms. TERMS, terms. So there are three terms here, 200L, 160W. So the terms are 200L, comma, 160W and 50LW. Next, variables. Variables. The variables are L and W. Now next, coefficients of these variables. Coefficients of L. Coefficients of L are, you can see here 200, and also here in this term 50W is the coefficient of L. So 200 is one of the coefficients of L. The next coefficient is 50W. 50 in this term, 50W. Okay. Next, the coefficients of W. The coefficients of W. So here it is 160. In this term it is 50L. The question number 2, you can see here 200L plus 160W, 50LW. How is this expression different from? I forgot word here. Different. How is this expression different from the algebraic expression in example 1? That is this is the algebraic expression example 1. They are asking how is this different from this. So in this expression, how it is different? In this expression there is no constant term. Here there is a constant term. So in this expression, in this expression, there is no constant term. There is no constant term. This is one of the difference. And in this expression, one of the terms have got two variables. One of the terms has two variables. You can see here this term 50 LW has got two variables, whereas in this expression the terms have got only one variable. That is the difference between this and this. The next one, think and reflect. This question is on page number 17. They are given one expression. Can you identify the terms, variables and coefficients of this algebraic expression? So terms, the terms are, there are two terms in this, 10x minus x square, and variables, the variables are, there is only one variable, that is x. Coefficients, the coefficient of x is 10. Coefficient of x square, here it is minus 1. So it is minus 1. Now next, question number 2. This is also on page number 17. Can you point out any similarity or difference between the algebraic expressions obtained in example 1 and example 3? So in example 1, this is the algebraic expression, that is 4x plus 5y plus 3. In example 3, it is 10x minus x square. They are asking to point out any similarity or difference. So you can see in this expression there are three terms, in this there are two terms. See, 4x plus 5y plus 3 has three terms. But 10x minus x square has two terms. This is the difference. And this expression has got only, they have got two variables, there is only one variable. 4x plus 5y plus 3 has two variables. But 10x minus x square has only one variable. Okay, then next, coming to exercise set 2.1, the first question says find the degree of the following polynomials. They are given some polynomials, they are asking us to find the degree. So the degree of this polynomial is, how to find the degree? The degree is highest power of the variables. Highest power. So here highest power is 2. So the degree is 2. Degree is 2. In this case, the degree is 3. Highest power. Degree is 3. Here, in this case, the degree is 0 because we can write it as minus 9 x raised to 0. So the degree is x raised to 0 means what? 1. So the degree is 0. Here the degree is 1. In this case, degree is 1 because the power of z is 1. The next question, write the polynomials of degree 1, degree 2 and degree 3. So we have to write some polynomials of degree 1. So degree 1 means what? The power should be, highest power should be 1. So the degree. So we can write 5x minus 7. So you can see here the power is only 1. This is the polynomial of degree 1. We can write one more. We can write 9x minus 9x also we can write. The power is 1. So minus x plus 2 also we can write. I have written 3 polynomials of degree 1. Here we should write polynomials of degree 2. So the highest power should be 2. So 3x square minus 4x plus 1, it's a polynomial of degree 2. I can write minus 7x square plus 1. This is also polynomial of degree 2. Here I am going to write polynomial of degree 3. So 6x cube minus 7x square plus x minus 1. So I can write one more, I'll write 9x cube minus 7. So the highest power should be 3. Next question, question number 3. What are the coefficients of x square and x cube in the polynomial? So they are given a polynomial x to the power of 4 minus 3x cube plus 6x square minus 2x plus 7. They are asking the coefficient of x square. The coefficient of x square is 6. The coefficient of x cube is minus 3. You can see it is minus 3. Next, what is the coefficient of z in this expression? Here z is not there, so we can write this as 4z cube plus 5z square plus 0z minus 11. I can write it as in this form. So the coefficient of z is 0. Coefficient of z is 0. You can see here it is 0. What is the constant term in this expression? The constant term is minus 10. Constant term is minus 10. Constant term is minus 10. So we have solved exercise 2.1. Question 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.